Hello, my name is Tapua Ndongwe and I'm here to present to you Greennovations Limited. I'm the founder and CEO and it's a Kenyan-based startup. The problem is, in Kenya currently, over 2 million tires go to waste annually. That is equivalent to 50,000 tons per year. And this is expected to grow at 6% per year. And as for plastics, over 172,000 tons end up in landfills in Nairobi alone. And this figure is also expected to grow by 5%. Kenya is a net importer of energy, and according to the latest study by the World Bank, Kenya has got an energy deficit of over 4,000 kilotons of oil equivalent. Our solution is to turn waste into energy through the use of pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is the decomposition of carbon material using high temperatures in the absence of oxygen. Now, our value addition is for every kilogram of plastic, for the feedstock, we pay 8 cents per kilogram, and our production costs range between 8 to 10 cents per kilogram. And for every kilogram of plastic, we expect a yield of 50% on average. And at the current retailing prices of fuel, industrial fuel, it will be ranging between 45 to 60 cents per kilogram in US dollars. That is, for every kilogram, we're expecting 24 to 30 cents per kilogram of fuel. Our target market are both fuel consumers and off-grid and on-grid energy consumers. For example, Kenya imports over 52,000 barrels of oil or refined petroleum products per day. This is according to 2010 statistics. And as for electricity, though Kenya produces over 1,800 megawatts of electricity supplied to the grid, it is expected to grow by up to 19,000 megawatts by 2030. But at the current moment, only 15% are connected to the grid. This means that the rest rely on fuel, which is biomass based. Now, as for the project team, we have myself, Tapua, as the founder and the CEO. My background is in finance and business. So I'm currently running this project, which was registered in 2013. The co-founder is Robert Muthigani, who is the chief operating officer and has got over 8 years experience in project management, and is a certified project manager. On the technical aspect, we have James Courier, who is currently doing his master's in Germany in combustion and propulsion systems. He'll be in charge of overseeing the specifications of the fuel, as well as how it correlates to the engine and efficiency of engines. On the ground, we have our operations manager, Titus Njeya. He's a graduate in astronomy and astrophysics. He's in charge of spearheading the feedstock supply, as well as on the ground operation. As for the financial model, you see that using a tax rate of over 30%, we expect an NPV of over 135,000 in the duration of 8 years, using weighted average cost of capital at 25%. And we're also projecting an IRR of over 40%. This is assuming that the production efficiency is over 50% with a feedstock supply of 2 tons per day. Now, this feedstock cost of 10 cents per kilogram, but the unit price of the end product will be at 60 cents per liter. Our key metrics will be under mainly production, financial, and social. These will be our key units of measurement to see the efficiency of the project. It is threefold, where the main stakeholders will be the feedstock supplier, the developer, and the consumer. Our strengths will be our stakeholder goodwill that would have established, because most of our product will be supplied from the dump sites and we want to engage lower income earning communities to participate by collecting the waste and supplying it to us. This will create jobs for them, and this is scalable depending on the availability of feedstock. This is also revolutionary in Kenya because it has never been exercised, and it is quite flexible in the sense that our end product can be used in so many ways, be it direct fuel consumption, electricity production, or any other form of energy that requires fuel. The weaknesses will be that since it's a blue ocean project, there's no industry definition that is yet to be established in Kenya. In conclusion, our current status is that we are at proof of concept, where we have developed a proof of concept plant. Thank you very much for your time. These are my contacts. Thank you very much.